Subhanallah, walhamdulillah, la ilaha illallah, Allahu Akbar.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Alhamdulillah bil alamin. Allahumma salli ala sayyidina Muhammadin wa ala ali sayyidina Muhammadin wa barik sallim alayhi. Subhanaka la ilma lana illa ma 'allamtana innaka antal alimul hakim. Rabbi zidni ilma. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. I welcome you all for this gathering, and I'm honored to stand before you here, sit before you here, to discuss a crucial aspect of modern business. There is a symbiotic relationship between technology and education as far as business is concerned. I've been given the title Empowering Business Growth Through Technology and Education. अच्छा, हम आजकल एक ऐसे एक ईरा में ज़माने में हैं. Sorry, my Urdu is not so fluent, but I'll try to make it up. हम आजकल ऐसे एक ज़माने में हैं जहाँ पे टेक्नोलॉजी इतनी फास्ट ग्रो हो लेके है, और just 10 or 15 years back the jobs which were there are today not there. And 10 or 15 years afterwards, similarly, the jobs which are here today will not be there. So we have got to equip ourselves with the latest technologies, with education. As far as the business is concerned, I will come to that later on, but there are in a business there are two aspects. Business की दो पहलू होते हैं. एक आके business entrepreneurs, जो business they really run the business, and the second is the helpers. There is the people who help the entrepreneurs to run the business. Obviously, the top level management or the second level management. जो लोग होते हैं, these people are really, a very, very, very important role they play in growing the business. तो मैं इन लोगों को पहले I will be focusing on these people, the second level management, who are really help the business to grow. तो इसके सिलसिले में, if the most important thing as far as technology is concerned is, we have got communication, number one. Today of course we know that instant connectivity is there, collaboration is there. Before, if you wanted to send a message to about 25 years before, even I remember when I joined the business, my dad's business, in about 1983-84, when we used to send letters, we have to send letters, typed letters, which will go and reach our foreign, this thing maybe it'll take about 4 days, 5 days, sometimes even 1 week or 2 weeks. But today it's not like that. Today instant, just you send a mail and the person gets the mail in the other end, whether he be in your next door or the next or the other part of the world. It is very, very this thing. The second one is efficiency, automating processes, streamlining operations, and education costs and reducing costs. So efficiency also has increased very much with this. And third, innovation has come, facilitating data-driven decisions, R&D and entrepreneurship, customer engagement, enhancing user experience through digital platforms and all those things. So all these things have, this technology has really, मेरा बोलने का मकसद है कि टेक्नोलॉजी आजकल के आज के हमारे ज़िंदगी में ऐसा एक इम्पैक्ट की है कि हम आगे सोच भी नहीं सकते और थोड़े आई थिंक सो मोस्ट ऑफ you even don't know what we are in for the next 15 years. It's going to be all, people are even telling that there will be driverless cars coming with all the, artificial intelligence and everything. But that is a far off thing. So, the technology is growing so fast. With today with AI, artificial intelligence and everything, we have got to really equip ourselves. Unless and until we equip ourselves with this thing, it is impossible for us to keep the pace. And for this, the most important thing is education. Education forms the basis of technology. We have got to equip ourselves with education, adaptability. Okay. If you are telling, जब मैं adaptability के बारे में बात करता हूँ तो एक 2-3 examples देता हूँ. For example, Kodak camera, you people must have known, maybe, I don't know how much of you people have known. It was about camera, videos, small, this thing and everything. It was there for, it was a very, very big business. They controlled almost 90% of the market. And suddenly what happened one day? Mobile phones came, all cameras, videos, everything was in there in mobile phone, and Kodak went bankrupt. Suddenly overnight. And mind you, it's not a simple small company, they had more than 160,000 people working in their company, and they were just went bankrupt. And now you see, at the same time, when you see Ola cabs, for example, Ola cab, they just have got the software. They don't even own one car, for information, just like Uber. Uber also does not own one car. They just have the software. And they just make it very convenient for people to travel from one place to another place today with a lot of traffic and parking problem. Most of the people try to, even if they have their own cars, they try to go in Ola or, something like that. So adaptability is a very, very important thing. Change, we have got to change with the times. It's very, very important. And then afterwards, we have got STD booths, for example. We had STD booths about 25-30 years back, and today, zero. You don't see any STD booths gone. So it's just disappeared because everybody's got their phone. They can do anywhere. The calls, everything has become very, very almost free. They had first they brought that Vore State, then now all India they have got it's free. Just STD calls and all. Nobody will even remember what is STD call. We had to make a lightning call. We have got to make this thing call before and all. But today is all just it's all this thing. So one thing I'd like to tell you is. The most important thing today is the digital world which is coming up. Especially programming, AI development, cybersecurity and all this. Okay, cybersecurity, maybe it is too early for us in India for us to talk about it. People talk about cybersecurity, but it is still not, as far as I think, cybersecurity is still very, very far off thing to be in India. But, for example, programming. We can help even if you want to do programming, we can. For example, I'm a software developer. I'm a software developer trainer. I train up many students online, on site. I've got trained more than about 150 people online, and more than 100 people on site also have trained up. And especially in and all these people are secured good jobs. Today is not only enough that you have a degree. You just have BSc computer science, BCA computer science, even BE. Computers or ME computers. I've taken interviews of BE computer people and ME computer people, and I was just telling our friend here that they did not even know what the meaning of a database. It is really very. I'm very sorry to tell that is the state of affairs, especially Rambur and people and all. They just come that we have studied computer science, we have done this thing, we have done B, we have done ME, I've taken, but they, totally they are zero. In fact, my studies, I have taken up this as an obsession. This was not my, actually I'm a graduate student, means I'm in a chemistry, I was a graduate, but when I got interested in software, we have got to really go into this. I've developed softwares, ERP, which are there running in 2 or 3 companies in Avanambadi also. ERP architecture, complete architecture, which I have done. And then afterwards, I develop even small programs today, like, for example, say, now one program is going on, which is just getting in, all the delivery challans coming up, and we prepare the bills automatically, and everything is done automatically. So, such sort of things our youngsters can start doing. And especially for the business community, I'll come back. As I told you, I'm coming. The business community, I'll tell you that we have got to change our mindset. It is no more one-man show. That is not going to work out now. It is totally off. So we have got to work like our previous, our elders have been telling, clusters. So that is the most important thing which has to come now. There's no other. So a few people have got to join together, and today, with all this LWG and all this coming up, and if you want, you can just meet me afterwards. My friend Mr. Ghafoor Bhai also is there, who can coordinate. So we can join up, and you can ask me how to do about it, how to make this sort of a symbiotic relationship between the business people, how for 5 or 6 people join together. And today, as far as European market is concerned, is totally dead. And we are now, the most important market is the final market, which is the US. And US market is going on, is good. And all of the people are now concentrating towards the US market. So this is the most important thing which we have to concentrate. So this sort of thing, even if you want to, youngsters who want to, you can go and ask your friends or everybody who want to do software development or something like that. You can contact me. Even I'm planning to open a recruitment agency in Dubai, in Middle East, so that we can have some sort of a recruitment of our youngsters in Middle East and all those things. So inshallah, if you people require any help, I'm always there to help you. Inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.
A quick question on adaptability, which you talked about.
Yeah.
Just to get an understanding. A lot of things are changing. That's what it is. Are we have to look towards a research, R&D to go upon, or the framework, or the thought, or the target audience? So there are lots and lots of things which our youngsters has to thought about. What exactly it will work? What will strike right now? Means like what is the next technology which is coming up? So as we have to get
The most important thing is going to come up, especially in every field, is is about data science. Data science is going to be the most crucial aspect, even in leather, in any industry, because data is the most important thing. For example, if you want to know anything about your market research, it's again data. If you want to know about your competitors, it's again data. Adaptability. What I was thinking about telling about adapt as far as adaptability is concerned is, we have got to adapt for the change. For example, for example, this toggling where we had in our this thing. What happened to our staking this thing? It's all changed to come to all machine staking. So we have got to change, and there was pit soaking was there. Then after dump soaking was is coming up, and then now onward people are talking about, of course, process based this thing wherein everything is going to be automized, and we have got to, the labor is not going to be cut. Labor is going to be cut. So what we have got to do is, we have got to try to find jobs which are more better. For example, I'm telling you, the programmer's job is going to remain, at least for the next 25, 30 years. It's not going to change. Because unless and until the AI comes to take up this thing, it's going to take a very long. But still, creativity, the thinking, our creativity, finally is going to all come into creativity. How nice to develop this program. So the most important thing, this thing is market research is there, demand, supply research, and all these things we have got to find out, especially for adaptability and this thing. So, if you want, you can just meet me after the program, or anytime. You can take my number. My number is already available, and you can contact me anytime you want. Assalamu alaikum.